Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Angel, and today my friends, we are going to try 4 viral TikTok makeup hacks. Now this is the final look, so if you want to know how I did this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified once I upload a video. Also, while you're at it, comment down below on your TikTok account if you have one. Mine is @angel_cabaron. Show me some love on TikTok, guys. Follow me there. And alright, let's get on to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna show the video for an eyeshadow makeup hack here or here, and then after that, I'll follow the steps. Let me just play the video. I'll be using Modern Renaissance Love Letter, and then I'll be doing this. Now, I don't know if this works, but the lady on the TikTok video has the same eyelid as mine, so maybe this will work. And I'm going to get Love Letter again. Alright, so I think it's done. Okay, so we did this. Let me just put the eyeshadow on my left eye. Okay, so I'm done putting on eyelashes and eyeliner. Next is we're going to see the video for the foundation hack. Let me just play this video for you.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the
moisturizer.
one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face. Not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation.
Okay, so we're going to use this Celatec Hydration Facial Moisturizer with Triple Moisturizing System. That's a mouthful. Okay, so I'll put a generous amount of moisturizer on my face. Alright, so I'll let it dry first. I think my moisturizer is now dry, so I'll put this Super Stay Powder Foundation from Maybelline. And I'll just put a little amount. So the powder is on, and I'll be using this Mario Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Okay, so the setting spray is dry. Now I'll be putting this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'll just use my baby blendiful for this. By the way, guys, this is Jackie Aina's routine. So I think this like makeup hack works because she's been using this for quite some time now. And then lastly, I'll put on foundation. I'll be using my blendiful and putting my foundation. Okay, so for the next makeup hack is for a nose contour. Let's play this video.
How to snatch your nose within 10 seconds. It might look a bit dodgy, but trust me, if you do this correctly, your nose will look snatched. So I like to use this like packer brush, this flat packer brush, and I mix between like a cool shade and a warm shade. So you're going to draw a line about from here to about here. So like this. So it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to look like that. I know it's a harsh line, give it a minute. Then you want to repeat on the other side. And then you just want to do that. Now you want to grab your fingers and literally just blend it in like this. Get like a powder brush and like blend it. Grab some highlighter and obviously highlight the nose. Highlight the bridge so it just like this gives the illusion that the nose is smaller. Now your nose does not just like.
Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna line my nose from here to here. Now I'm not gonna cut my nose here because she has longer nose than I do. We both have different like shape of nose, so I'm just gonna shade like what she did. So let me just contour my nose. Now after that, we're going to do this so that the harsh lines will be removed. And she got a powder brush. She did it like this. And last but not the least, we are going to check this makeup hack for lipstick.
Do you want pink lips, but you don't want to make it look like you have lipstick on? Well, I've got a hack for you. Take your favorite red lipstick and dot right in the center of your lips. Now take your finger and rub. Pink lips.
Now I don't have a red liquid lipstick, so I'll just use whatever I have here. I have this Revlon matte lip balm, and this is in the shade 270 Fiery Flamboyant. So I'll just twist this and put this at the center of my lips. Okay, so for me it's still red. I think that depends on the lipstick that you have, if its undertone is blue or if it's a different undertone, because as what I can see here, it's still red, but I think this works if you want to have like a rosy lip than just a solid red lipstick. Okay, so you guys, we're done with those 4 TikTok viral makeup hacks. Now for the eyeshadow, I don't think that you'll be getting it right the first time. I mean, you're lucky if you get it the first time. Good job for you. But for me, I was having a hard time, putting the eyeshadow with that eyelash curler. Now for the foundation, I think that foundation hack is very useful. It's been used by many makeup artists and beauty vloggers. So I think if you can see, my foundation is really seamless, and yeah, it works. Now for the nose contour, you have to also practice on that. I love it, but it may or may not work for you. Now for my lipstick, if I had a red liquid lipstick, I think it will come up as a pink lipstick, but for me it's just like a tint of red. So it depends on your lipstick, it depends on your lips as well. Guys, I have so much fun creating those TikTok beauty hacks, and I hope you like this video. Comment down below if you would also like to try these beauty makeup hacks, and let me know if it worked for you or not. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!